Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Hyliion. Okay, this is a stock that I bought into recently and it has been absolutely destroyed. Recently traded at around like $18 a share, and finally it's moving up to right now sitting at $21 a share after having some previous green days. Today, for example, it was up by close to 13%. Okay, but before we get into this video, please be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more content like this. But yeah, anyways, I think that a couple of catalysts could actually drive the stock price up and to even the $30 or $40 range within a short amount of time, right? And the main reason for this is something known as a short squeeze, okay? So if we look, there's a couple catalysts. One is that they're going to announce their third quarter results on November 12, 2020. So that could be positive news, and that could be a catalyst to push the stock price higher, resulting in people who shorted the stock to have to cover their positions before the stock increases even further and they get even more in the red. Okay, and finally, even the MACD, so moving average convergence divergence crossed, which means that at least for the sort of medium term, there's a bullish pattern detected based on the MACD, right? So that's also another positive sign. Of course, this is just a technical. It could change at any moment depending on, for example, their third quarter results. However, if we're looking at even the amount of shares shorted, first of all, if we look, this was just taken from yesterday, the amount of shares of float, if you look closely here, we can see 59% of the shares on float are actually shorted, which is an insane amount of shares shorted. I've never seen this before, this highest amount of shares shorted. I mean, I have seen that like Nordstrom, their short interest is around like 40%, but not 59%, right? And if we even look at the short volume ratio, which is the total number of short shares traded divided by the total shares traded each day, we can see that the short ratio is almost a third of all the shares traded are shares that are actually being shorted, okay? And this is represented in this graph here, which we can see that it's pretty damn high as compared to some other stocks, right? So there's a lot of shares that are shorted that are moving around in the market, and pretty much what happens is, well, one, I could see that either the stock price moves up again like this in the next couple of days and the shorts start to get worried, I might have to make some short shorts or whatever, and then hopefully run away from the stock. Or so again, one thing is that this bullish pattern continues based off of the technicals, based off of factors such as pretty good Q2 results, based off of a Biden presidency, which is, could happen. And is very possible to happen. I think it's most likely to happen that way. And that could push the stock price even more. And shorts cover their positions, which would push the stock price even more up. And I mean, people on the board, I like to read this board, is saying that like $25 by Friday, $30 to $35 by next week. I mean, again, who knows? This is all just speculation. But right now, a lot of these people on Yahoo Finance, on the conversations aspect of it, are feeling pretty optimistic about the stock. But again, in my opinion, this stock could easily just as easily go down tomorrow, back to like $18 a share. I don't think it will. But on the more likely side, if there's even a slight catalyst, since it's only a $3.2 billion market cap, more people would be buying up the shares, forcing the shorts to cover their positions, which could shoot the stock price up massively, even in the span of a couple of weeks. Okay, so I just thought I'd share that. Let me know what you think. And again, if you do like the video, this is kind of a short one because I am very happy to promote this news. And of course, I'm a Hyliion. I'm long on Hyliion, so that's just my perspective. But yeah, I hope you guys learned something from this, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I'll see you next time.